think it's done. Okay, now go to the question. Okay, go to this question. Question number third. Try this question. Be fast.
Sir, 15 meter per second.
Yeah, you have to think little bit. Try to do it fast. Everyone. We just check whether it is streaming on.
Option B.
Option D. Okay.
B.
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 Okay.
15 meter per second.
Okay. 15 meter per second. Check it once. Just I'll say here. Okay, question number third. Try to go through it. What it is saying. Anyone solved?
Yes, sir.
Parinita, Sujit, Yasmin, Sneha, Sanjana.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So
Again,
15.
Ankit, 2, Devil, 2. Okay, 15. Okay, so let us solve this. Let us go through this. Okay, what it is saying, the position of an object moving along x-axis is given by x equal to a plus bt square, where a is 8.5 meter, b is 2.5 meter per second square. Okay, so look over here. A is 8.5 meter, means dimensions of A is with the length, dimensions of B is actually acceleration. Wow, what a question. Means, are you able to see this question or not? Tell me yes or no. Try to understand this question. So can I say that this equation is in the form of S is equal to ut plus half at square? Got it or not? Where initial velocity is denoted by A. Can I say that initial velocity is denoted, this A is representing my initial velocity, or it is representing whole ut? Actually, it is not. This A is not only representing u, it is representing this whole ut. Try to understand what is the dimension of u. It is meter by second. What is the SI unit of time? Second. Second got cancelled, so I get meter. So that means what? A is representing ut, while B is representing A by 2 over here. Means, since we can't consider constant, so B is actually representing A over here. Understood or not? So that is how we need to understand about the dimension. Now move to next thing. It is saying that find the average velocity between t equal to 2.0 and t equal to 4.0 second. What a good question. Okay. So in this question, what will happen with the normal guys? Okay, so normal guys of IIT JEE need whatever they will do, but they will do that again. They will start integrating and they will be stuck in the loop. But actually, this is a question of logical thinking. Displacement with respect to time is given. Okay, displacement. Try to understand. So this is my time axis. This is my displacement. So displacement with respect to time is given, and it is asking that find the average velocity. Formula of average velocity is what? What is the formula of average velocity? It is nothing but, let's suppose if two time intervals are mentioned. So for that case, what is the formula? Displacement at final time interval minus displacement at initial time interval divided by final time interval minus initial time interval. So a special formula is there for solving these kind of questions. What is that formula? If you have got x dependent upon t this time, means, so try to understand. Previous question was velocity dependent upon time. Here I have position dependent upon time. Got it or not? When you have position dependent upon time, what you have to do, you have to calculate the displacement for final time, then displacement for initial time. You subtract them, then denominator final time minus initial time. If you do it, you will be definitely able to get the answer. Okay, so now look over here. So what is the time over here? 2.0 second, and here time is equal to 4 seconds. So displacement at final time first. So t equal to 4 seconds. How to solve this, sir? Just replace this 4 value over variables over here. So it will be what? A plus b into 4 square. The value of a is how much? 8.5 plus b is how much? 2.5 into 4 square. When you solve x4, t is equal to 2 second. Again similar, 8.5, a is that, b is 2.5, but here it will be 2 square. So you have got displacement for 4 second, displacement for 2 second. What is the answer over here? Yes, Ben? What is the answer over here? I think 8.5 plus this is 4 2s are 16. 16 into 22.5. How much is this? Is this? Yes, man. Hello? Is I'm audible or not? It is?
Sir, 18.1.
Sir,
18.5.
For all of 40.
sir, that is 40.
Okay.
40 plus
48.5.
8.5, 48.5.
Okay. It is how much? 40.5. And this is how much?
Sir, no, sir, that is 40.
Okay, that is just 40. Okay, okay. And this is how much?
8.5.
It is just 8.5. Hey, no man. 16 into
Sir, 40
Sir, no, sir, 40 plus
48.5.
8.5, 48.5.
wait. Do not go like that way. So it is how much?
So 2.5 into 16 is 40.
Okay.
So
Got it.
plus 8.5 is 48.5.
5. Yes. So displacement at this time is 48.5. Displacement at t equal to 2 is 8.5 meter. So therefore, average velocity is how much? Simple. Average velocity is nothing but total displacement at 4
Sir,
seconds.
that is 18,
18.5.
18.5.
Okay, it is
18.5.
Come on, guys. 18.5. Okay. Oh, I'm very much bad at mathematics. Sorry, guys. Okay. And that is 18.5 divided by t final is how much? It is 4 minus 2. This is how much? Again, it will be 30 divided by 2, which is 15 meter per second. So look over here. In this particular lecture only, we have seen three different kind of formula of average velocity. One average velocity in form of integral form, another average velocity, average speed in terms of normal form, which is given in every book. Third, average velocity, which is not given in any kind of book, right or not? So these are all the things which I am assembling and trying to give you at one time. Okay. So look at this type of problem, make a proper notes of it, make a proper formula set of it. Okay. Make a snap note. Okay. Got it or not? Whatever classes I am doing, uh, you didn't need to learn these numericals. You have to make the what kind of snap note? The snap note of these formulas which I am giving to you. Okay. Which are a special formula, exceptional formula, which are not mentioned in the books. Right or not? These kind of formulas you are not going to find in any kind of book over published in India. Okay. So you have to, I have assembled these questions from different exams, and that's why I'm giving you as a lecture over here. Okay. So assemble these concepts, guys, because these are very much important. Okay. Move to next thing. Next question. Wow, what a question. Question number 4. Try to solve this problem. Try to solve this problem, guys. Hello, YouTube family. Is I'm audible to everyone? Try to solve this big problem. This is a very good problem. A particle starts from rest with constant acceleration. Wow, what a question is this? If you can solve it, I will definitely understand that you are going to crack NEET or IIT JEE or some kind of like UPPSC, like lecture physics and all, something like that. Okay. So these kind of questions are actually asked in NEET JEE mains. Actually, this question is of little bit extra level. Okay. You have to little bit logically think about this question. Particle starts from rest with constant acceleration. Remember that what it is given? Constant acceleration. Okay. Rest is given. And another thing is constant acceleration is mentioned. 2 points are given in the question. Have you watched Kota Factory? I think none of you guys have watched. There, Jitu Bhaiya tells one thing, that the solution is given in the problem itself. So two solutions are given, rest and constant acceleration. It is asking the ratio of a space average velocity. Space average velocity is what? Integral v into ds. If I will simplify it for you guys. So a space is represented by x. So it will be v dx divided by integral dx. And this is integral v dt divided by integral dt. It is asking find the ratio of like space average velocity to the time average velocity, where time average velocity and space average velocity respectively are defined as follows. Can you solve it? Anyone? I think this will be a hard question for you guys. You might not have seen these kind of things. Okay, so little bit I'll do it. Okay, I'm doing it because this question is a really weird. Okay, so look over here. See, look at this question. If you will have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so look over here. What I'm saying, a particle starts from rest with constant acceleration. Can I say that initial velocity is 0 and acceleration is denoted? I'm denoted it by acceleration a over here. What? Initial velocity is 0, acceleration is a. Now try to understand. See, here it is writing v equal to dx, means I can write integral v into dx divided by integral dx. Now, after looking at this, 90% of the students will get confused that what is this? This is nothing, but look over here. I can write this. I can write x is equal to what? What is the formula of x? X is equal to ut
U2
plus
plus half AT.
half at square. Yes or no? Means
Yes, sir.
displacement is equal to what? Initial velocity in time t plus half at square. So what it will become? It will become half of a into t square, since initial velocity is 0. Now this is my x. This is half of a into t square. Now try to understand. Can I say that dx? I am trying to differentiate. What I am doing? I am differentiating over here. So what I can do, I can take d of x. This will become what? Like d of x divided by dt is equal to what? D by dt of half at square. Means what I am doing, that on the both side of this equation I am differentiating with respect to time. So when I am differentiating with, means when I am cutting this x and this RHS also with respect to time, it will be dx by dt. This will be equal to d by dt of half at square. Now what it will be? Dx by dt, which will be equal to half will be outside. Acceleration is constant also. Look over here, it is given constant acceleration. A comes outside. This is what d by dt of t to the power of 2. Now what is the form over here? It is again this kind of formula, d by dx of x to the power of n. What is the formula? Nx to the power of n minus 1. Little bit hard question it is. Try to see this. So look over here. It is also d by dt. Same variables are there. Power is 2 over here. This will become what? Half of a into 2t to the power of 2 minus 1. 2 and 2 got cancelled. This dx by dt is how much? It is nothing but it is equal to a into t. Can I say that dx becomes a into t into dt? Oh, this is chamatkar. What is this? This is chamatkar. Look over here. V of t is what? Integral v dt by dt. Now, here it was written dx and dx. But I have converted my dx into a smaller time intervals. Okay. So look over here. I can write this as this whole v of a space, means average velocity in a space. It is equal to what? Integral. What I have got as dx v into at into dt divided by integral at into dt. Got it or not? At till up to this point, are you able to understand or not? Any kind of doubt till this point?
No, sir.
Any kind of doubt? Anyone?
No, sir.
Really? Radha, Sneha, are you able to understand or not? Radha, Parinita, Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
Sparsa, understood or not? Tell me seriously, guys, because this is little bit of a difficult question. Okay, Sanjana, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so little bit of difficult question. If you'll have doubt, you can ask me tomorrow in the morning class also. Okay, so look over here. So this integral of a space, it's just converted into this form. Okay, now I'll apply again another trick. Now tell me one thing. What is the formula? You know now. Final velocity is equal to initial velocity plus at. Yes or no? Here initial velocity is 0, so v becomes what? A into t again. So I can write this as again a square t square dt divided by integral at dt. What is the most important conclusion over here? That I can take this acceleration as outside because these are two constants over here. So what it will become? This a square by a, it will become a integral t square dt divided by integral t dt. What is the formula? This is simple. T to the power of n dt. What is the formula? A t to the power of 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by, this is again t to the power of 1 dt. So it will be t to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Got it or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good guys. Really, I'm very much happy that you guys are a little bit able to understand this kind of problems. Okay. So look over here. What this average velocity I got with respect to a space, I got it as a to the power of, like, look over here, it is a t cube divided by 3 divided by t to the power of 2 divided by 2. So this will go up, it will become what? I can write 2, this and this can get cancelled, it will be only 1 remaining over here, twice at divided by 3. So this average velocity with respect to a space coordinate, what I got it as twice of 80 divided by 3. Understood or not? Tell me so. This I have got. This I have got only. Till now we have got only this case. Okay. Next thing is what? We have to take the ratio of this, means v of a space average velocity by velocity of time. We have to actually calculate this. So first you need to, after that you need to calculate this time. So I can calculate this. It is easy. Again, simple integral. What it is that v of dt divided by integral dt. Now look over here. What is velocity? Velocity again in terms of time. This is just simple at. So integral at dt divided by integral dt. Now look over here. Acceleration will come outside. This t to the power of 1 is there. So what it will become? T to the power of 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. Now I have told now that the formula of this, let's suppose only this dt is there, the variable will be the answer. Integral dt is there, so this variable will come out as the answer. So t come as the answer. This is how much? A t square divided by 2 divided by t is cancelled, and answer is what? 80 by 2. So what you got? Velocity of a space 280 by 3. What you got? Velocity of time average, it is 80 by 2. So look, if I take the ratio Vs by Vt, what it will become? Twice of 80. I'll use the different pen. Twice of 80 divided by 3 divided by 80 divided by 2. So what it will get? Tt got cancelled. 2 becomes 2 goes up, and it is how much? 4 by 3. So answer is what? 4 by 3. Are you able to understand or not? Tell me. Or was this hard? Is this hard now? Okay, I'll ask one by one.
A little bit.
I will ask one by one. I know this is hard. So, okay, guys. Like Radha, wait. I'll just go on the top of this list. Ask one by one whether they are able to understand this particular question or not. Ankit, are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
अंकित समझ
हाँ
में
सर
पूरा एकदम से एवरी
हाँ
लाइन
सर बस थोड़ा इंटीग्रेशन वाला थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है
इंटीग्रेशन वाला थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है यस आई विल से दैट परिणीता आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड
Yes, sir.
confirm देखो परिणीता I mean,
Yes, sir.
see I will not say that this is easy. You will have to be working hard, really to be working hard. Okay, I'll tell you which year paper is this. Radha, are you able to understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sanjana, little bit difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Asparsa,
Yes, sir.
Hitesh, and Yasmin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, explain again in college once. Yes, sure. Actually, like I'll be explaining all of these things, like not all of these things, just this question, like this integration. I'll first discuss this integration once again in the class. Like tomorrow, I'll be solving all the problems, like maxima, minima, and integration in the class. So what will happen after that class? You will be definitely able to solve every kind of integration problem. I'm damn sure about it. Okay, I'll make you guys like that way. It's my challenge to myself, right or not, to make you understand differentiation, maxima, minima, and integration at this 10 days, like only in the first month of the, like what we say, first view. It is very much impossible in everywhere. Okay, but you can understand it because you guys are very intelligent. I am saying I have never seen such intelligent guys in my life. Okay, so please work hard, right or not. So okay, look over here. It is little bit difficult. I'm not saying it is easy. Okay, I'll once again explain this, but try to understand. Okay, so look over here. What I was saying. I was saying something. I forgot to mention. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. So you try to see, which year question is this? So this is NEET 2019. I tell you, this NEET 2019 paper, we do not know why they said Like, you know, till now, till the career of whole 33 to 43 like years of NEET, this 2019 paper physics was the most toughest paper ever have been made in NEET, right or not? Huh? And this is the problem over there. This much long calculation we need to do, but actually it can be learned. Like the ratio of V space by V time is 4 by 3, V time by V space is 3 by 4. Okay, and it has came. This same question has repeated in JEE Advance 2011, right or not? So this is the problem of JEE Advance 2011 also. So please try to solve this kind of problems. It will really benefit you. Okay, move to next question. Last, not last. Oh, okay, this is easy question. Again, next type. Question number 5. Type 5. Solve this type 5 problem. The displacement of a point moving in a straight line is given by x is equal to 8t square minus 4t. The velocity of the particle is 0 at. Wow, what a question.
0.25 seconds.
0.25 seconds.
Okay, we'll see. Okay. Good guys. Now I'm very much impressed. Now, like, you guys are catching it fast. It's good. Okay. Still, I have many questions. See these questions, the level of this kind of questions. Still, I have so much questions left. How we will solve? We require that big class, 3 hour class. Hello, Coz. Okay, Coz has joined on YouTube. Coz, we are doing these problems. Okay, so still in Google Meet, actually, those 3 to 4 guys are there. I mean, not 3 to 4, 10 guys are there. Okay, they're actually preparing for NEET. Okay, Coz. Yeah, try this problem, Coz. Let us see in how many seconds you can do this problem. So Coz has joined. He is my favorite student. So he is from previous batch, and I'm damn sure he is getting good rank in NEET. Okay. So I'll make one conference call one day with Coach. Okay. So he is very good in studies. Look over here. So displacement of the particle moving in a straight line is given by x is equal to 8t square minus 4t. The velocity of the particle is 0 at. Okay, means the velocity of the particle is 0 at. At means what? At time it is asking. So look over here. X is equal to, I have told now, if x is dependent upon time, if x is dependent on time like this way, so what will be the velocity equation? Velocity is nothing but dx by dt, simple. Okay, so look over here, d by dt, x is given, that is 8t square minus 4t. Okay, now what will be the answer? So if I can differentiate these two terms, what I'll have to do, I'll have to multiply this d by dt to both of these terms. So here 8 will come outside since it is a constant, d by dt of t square minus 4 will come again outside, d by dt of t. This is t square, this is to the power of 1, but it will become 8. T square is what? 2t to the power of 2 minus 1. Formula is what? D by dt of t to the power of n is n t to the power of n minus 1 minus 4. So this is for 8, 4. This is here n equal to 1. So it will be 1 t to the power of 1 minus 1. This becomes how much? 8 to the 16t minus 4 into 1, that is 4. T to the power of 0 is what? 1. Yes, goes correct. It is 2. Okay. So look over here. Now try to see. It is asking that this velocity will be 0 when? Means I have to put this velocity as 0. So that means what? 16t minus 4 is equal to 0. T becomes what? 4 by 16, and this is how much? 0.25 seconds. So answer is what? 0.25 seconds. Means the velocity of the particle becomes 0 at time equal to 0.25 seconds. Are you able to get me or not? Tell me yes or no. Everyone. This question is easy. Hitesh, Asparsa, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Sujit and all. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good, Radha. Now this that's why I'm saying one time you solve the hard question, it will become very much easy for you guys. Okay. Move to next question. Question number 6. Try to solve this question. Again, a good question. If the velocity of particle is given over here, find the distance traveled by it in between 1 second and 2 seconds. Tumba is the problem. Pause. Go back to question number 4th. Okay. 5th I have discussed. Go to this just is little bit go back in the video. Go back to question number 4 and try that problem. Then I will see whether you are able to do it or not. Okay. That average velocity of space-time velocity and like like just average velocity for time velocity. Okay. Try it. Easy, Tumba easy problem. See, this time velocity is given. You have to calculate the distance traveled between 1 second and 2 seconds. Simple relation. Again, velocity. It is time dependent. So velocity is what? Nothing.
Option B.
I'll check. Yes, ma'am. It will be what? V is equal to dx by dt. So I can write
3 by 2a plus 7 by 3b.
I'll check it. Dx will become what? It will become dx is equal to vd. Now try to understand. See, if I want to calculate what it is asking, distance traveled now in time t equal to 1 second to 2 seconds. So remember that this is the smallest distance and this is the smallest time. But I have to calculate the distance traveled between time, bigger time, that is 1 second to 2 seconds. What I will have to do, I'll have to apply this integration sign. Understood? See, when I was calculating, when x was given, when I was required to calculate velocity, what I applied dx by dt. But when velocity is given and I was told to calculate x over here, so what it will become? It will be integral v dt. So I can write x is equal to integral v dt over here. Okay, because integration dx, this variable comes out. Okay, now v, what is v given over here? Integration a of t plus b of t square dt. Now try to understand this displacement. We have to find it. Means this snake has two things: one lower value, another upper value. So lower value of a snake is what? 1 second. Upper value of a snake is what? 2 seconds. Can you calculate it now easily? So look over here. I will just apply this integration 1 to a t dt plus integration 1 to b t square dt. Got it or not? A and b are constant. They will come out. A 1 to 2 t dt plus b 1 to 2 t square dt. You guys will be amazed to know that these kind of questions are asked in NTAC exams, class 10th examination. You think how much difficult is this NTAC, and this Aswin and Nitish Prakash and all guys are preparing for it. Okay, so look over here. What this will become? This is again t to the power of 1 t to the power of n dt. Answer will be what? A t to the power of n, means formula is what? T to the power of n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1 divided by, again n is 1 over here, so it will be 1 plus 1. But this bracket is varying from where? 1 to 2 plus this will be b. Okay, this is your t square, means n is what? 2 over here. So it will be what? N plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, from varying from 1 to 2. Are able to understand or not? Tell me. Till now, any kind of doubt to anyone? No, no?
No, sir.
Confirm, guys. Parinita, Radha, Sanjana, Sneha, Sparsa. See, these girls are actually little bit new. Otherwise, Hitesh and this Yasmin and this Ankit, they are totally addicted with this kind of problems. Means this my teaching. But you guys will have to little bit take time again, yes or no? Huh? So do not get frustrated after watching this kind of problems. Sparsa, okay or not? Tell me. Is
Yes,
it okay?
sir.
Okay. After that, Sneha, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sanjana? Sanjana went.
Yes, sir.
Okay, she's here. Radha and Pranita, you are not. Radha, okay, Radha is awake. Pranita, you are not slept now.
No, sir, I'm there.
Okay, good guys. Okay. Hey, Radha, where is this Harsita? Where is Harsita?
Sir, she logged in, but she logged out again.
Okay, no problem. Tell her to watch the videos. Okay. Now look over here. So what this will become? Again, this will become a t square divided by 2 plus b t cube divided by 3. But the variations are still there. Okay. So this is varying from 1 to 2 plus this is varying from 1 to 2. Again, we will have to solve this. Easy peasy. Okay. Simple. We have to again solve this whole part. So first we have to replace the upper limit with the variable. So a, it will be what? 2 will be replaced with t over here, 2 square divided by 2. After that, to replace lower limit, we have to first put negative sign. Then we have to put this lower value over here. So it will be 1 square divided by 2 plus b. Here again 2 with the upper limit, 2 cube divided by 3. After that, to put the lower limit, negative sign. Again lower limit with the change with the variable. So 1 cube divided by 3. I think if you solve this, answer will be what? A. This will be cancelled. Or I can do what? This is 4 minus. Do not cancel it. Okay. Let it be that. So it is 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So what it will become? 3 by 2 plus b. This is 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3, that is 7 by 3. So answer is what? 3 by 2a plus 7 by 3. Are you able to understand or not? Tell me yes or no. Any kind of doubt?
No.
Confirm everyone? Any kind of doubt? Tell me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Good guys. Good. Great. Really. Okay. Can we move to next question? Okay. So this, and I think this will be last, or we can solve this. Okay, means we'll try. Let us see this question. This is how which question we have solved till 6. This is 7th number. Try to solve this 7th number.
So this is already repeated. 0 is the answer.
Sir, 0.
Think. This is not the same question. For the particle, displacement time relation is given by t is equal to root x plus t. When its velocity is 0, like you have to find its displacement. You have to actually calculate the displacement when its velocity is going to be 0. Think about this question.
So 0 only.
Sir, 0.
0. It is coming 0.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let us wait for 3 to 4. Just 2 more minutes. Try to see what shall be the answer. I want answers from Ankit. Ankit Chacha, what will be the answer?
Sir, 0 only.
0. Radha, Sparsa,
Sir.
what will be the answer? Sanjana, Parinita, Sneha, what should be the answer? नहीं हुआ. Cause I'll kill you. Okay. Try to solve that problem. Go through the video solutions. Try to check it. Got it or not? हाँ. और उसके बाद उसको कर लेना. ठीक है ना? 100% उसको कर लेना. ठीक है? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है ना? Okay. This question. T is equal to, good night coach. Good night. Take care. T is equal to root x plus 3. Its displacement when its velocity is 0 will be. Okay. Time I have given root x plus 3. You have to calculate the displacement when its velocity is going to be 0. So look over here. I can write this x as what? I can remember that v is dx by dt. There is nothing like time on numerator. So you have to replace definitely, like you have to find the x equation. Okay, so what it will be, can I write the x equation? It will be just t minus 3 whole square. So what is my x? It is t minus 3 whole square. So I can take dy dt. What is my x? That is t minus 3 whole square. Got it or not? What will be it? Try to understand. This is t minus 3 whole square. What will be the differentiation of it? Okay. So remember that.
So,
Okay. So I can write this as d by dt bracket. This will be what? T square plus 9 minus 3 to the 60. Got it or not? Now, I
Yes,
will
sir.
multiply this d by dt to all other terms. D by dt of t square plus d by dt of 9 minus 6 will come out d by dt of t. This value is 0 since it is a constant. Now look over here, d by dt of t to the power of 1 here is t to the power of 2. But it will become 2 t to the power of 1 minus, 2 minus 1. Are able to understand? This will become what? Minus of 6. This is 1 t to the power of 1 minus 1. Got it or not? So now look over here, what I will get as equation? 2t minus 6, because t to the power of 1 minus 1 is 0, and this becomes what? 1 only. So what I get as velocity? I get my velocity as 2t minus 6. Now it is saying you have to calculate the displacement when its velocity is 0. So when it, like when the velocity is 0, first you need to find. So let us put velocity as 0 is equal to 2t minus 6. T becomes how much? 3 seconds, yes or no? So at 3 t equal to 3 second, what is my velocity? It is 0 over here. If I replace this 3 second over here, what I get that displacement? I get displacement as 0. So answer is what? 0. Are you able to understand? Yes, course, correct. Are you able to understand or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Radha,
Yes, sir.
Parinita, Sanjana, understood? Sneha, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes, sir.
you have to little bit think about all of these kind of questions. Correct, course. So, very good course. Okay. So should we leave over here? Okay. Or should we move to next questions? Tell me. See, still there are many questions are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me, guys. Okay. So what we will do? We are going to do tomorrow all of these questions. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be doing theory part. Okay. So again on Saturday or Sunday, something like that, I'll make big questions out of it. So you have understood. I have discussed many types of questions. I'll give these questions as little bit TPP. Try to practice it, and I will give the solutions. Okay. Still, there are many questions over here which are very very good over here. Okay, means these kind of questions. Like look over here. These kind of questions are very very much. अच्छा कोच तुम्हें नेक्स्ट करना है यही कोच okay so coach is on YouTube. He is telling that solve next question. Yes, Yasmin, tell me. Yasmin,
Sir.
okay, these guys will die coach. 10:30 tomorrow morning, 6:30 they have the classes. Okay. I will send you these questions. Okay, definitely coach, I'll send you these questions. Okay, so that you can practice. Okay, I'll call you tomorrow morning definitely. Okay, are you able to get me or not, everyone? Okay, so let us stop the streaming.